My name is Beth, and my husband Dell and I own this house here in Boulder, Colorado. And David Quinn of Alpine Summit Homes was our contractor on our remodel. We just absolutely loved seeing what he accomplished here. It was a dream come true for us, and we really enjoyed the moment of shock when we came in and saw how gorgeous it is. We found David through our next door neighbors. He was doing a remodel for them, and one day he walked out the door just as I was walking down the sidewalk, and I grabbed him and said, "Will you come over for a sec and just take a peek at our house and see what you think?" And ended up hiring him, and really have been so lucky and blessed to have found him.
So one of the things we really like about the house are these doors right here. They really provide an indoor-outdoor feel to the house, and we use them quite frequently. Our son had this great idea of kind of opening up this entire area, and it's really quite dramatic. If you can see here, they open like this, and then like that. And we have a whole other set over here. So they allow just an expansion of the space, and Boulder's a lovely place to spend a lot of time outside, and so we have this beautiful space that permits just an opening, and again this idea of blurring the lines between what one space is and what another is. It just is really kind of a theme and a concept we carry through the house.
Some of the things that we were so frustrated with the old kitchen it was so cluttered, and there were these walls in between the kitchen and the living room and the dining room and then our family room, and it was cluttered. It felt busy. We kept running into each other, and there was just not enough space or storage. So we love the openness that we have now in our house, with the walls gone. The whole kitchen is open to the family room, open to the dining room, and then open to these fabulous doors that we put in that are accordion doors that open to the outside. We really wanted to have the indoor-outdoor feel to make it feel bigger and more spacious. And we extended our deck so that we could do that. One of the things that we really love about the kitchen is the kitchen island and this big countertop that provides so much space on the counter. And then we also have 4 chairs that people can sit at. And we decided to put our oven in the kitchen island so that we could prepare food and talk to people as we were cooking, but be able to visit with our friends and our family and not have our backs to them. So that was a really important feature of this kitchen. I loved having him around. And his whole team. I think everybody that worked with him was excellent. They were exceptional, and he had handpicked his group of people, and they were all very friendly and wonderful to be with, wonderful to work with. I really appreciated how thought out it was in terms of picking the different things that we needed to pick, like the cabinet doors and the paint color and the trim on around the windows. And he had such a good eye for some of that. We really loved that process. And he sent us to the right people in the right places, and it really walked us through what worked and how it would all fit together. Because you can design something, but it might not work in the space or fit how it needed to fit. But David really knew the construction side of it and how things would fit each piece together, and then could see also the design part.
Yeah, David is easily one of the best organized contractors or individuals that I've ever met or worked with. So Beth was here most of the time throughout the remodel. I travel considerably for my job, and he did a great job of keeping us both up to speed and up to date on schedule, on decisions we need to make, all of that. It was quite a pleasant experience. We actually finished ahead of schedule, and when I repeat that story to others, they're just gobsmacked by that. Typically it's everything goes late or over, but we were a week ahead of schedule, which was fantastic. Get to move back in and enjoy our new house ahead of schedule. So all of that was very well done and very well organized, and it just ran exactly as it was laid out in the schedule. So
it's just such a beautiful space to relax in and enjoy each other, and we love sitting out here outside. Cheers.
Cheers.
We'd rather have wine, but coffee is good.
Amen, sister.